Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the Amazon Shopping app on your Android phone. So if you want to browse products, track orders, and shop directly from your phone, just follow these steps. All right, let's get started. First, find and open the Google Play Store on your device. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. That's the little magnifying glass. Then tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Then type Amazon. In the search results, you should see the Amazon Shopping app near the top of the list. It's easy to recognize because it has millions of downloads and the Amazon logo. Tap on the Amazon Shopping app and then tap the Install button. The Play Store will now start downloading and installing the app on your phone. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed, so just wait until the installation reaches 100%. Once it's done, after it's finished, tap Open and wait for the app to fully load. Once it's ready, you can sign in with your Amazon account or create a new account if you don't already have one. After that, you'll be able to start browsing products, checking deals, and shopping directly from your phone. And that's it. That's how you download and install the Amazon Shopping app on an Android phone.